Introduction. Welcome to our exciting journey through Asia, where we'll uncover some of the most unreal places that will leave you in awe. From breathtaking landscapes to hidden gems, this video showcases stunning locations that seem almost otherworldly. Imagine standing on the edge of a vibrant, multicolored lake or wandering through ancient temples nestled in lush jungles. Each destination we explore is not just a feast for the eyes but also a testament to the rich culture and history that Asia has to offer. As travel enthusiasts, we often seek experiences that ignite our sense of adventure and wonder. These unreal places provide just that, inviting you to step outside your comfort zone and immerse yourself in the beauty of nature and human creativity. Whether it's the surreal rock formations of a remote island or the ethereal glow of bioluminescent beaches, each location tells a story waiting to be discovered. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure. We'll guide you through these extraordinary sights, inspiring you to add them to your travel bucket list. Let's dive into the magic of Asia and explore the unreal places that will make your heart race and your spirit soar. The enigmatic Ha Long Bay, Vietnam. Nestled in the northern part of Vietnam, Ha Long Bay is a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its breathtaking beauty. This stunning destination is characterized by emerald waters dotted with over 1,600 limestone islands and islets, each boasting unique geological formations that have been sculpted by nature over millions of years. These towering karsts rise dramatically from the sea, creating a surreal landscape that captivates visitors and serves as a vital ecosystem for diverse marine life. Exploring Ha Long Bay offers a plethora of activities that enhance your experience. Kayaking through the tranquil waters allows you to get up close to the majestic limestone cliffs and hidden caves, providing a sense of adventure and serenity. Alternatively, boat tours offer a leisurely way to soak in the panoramic views while enjoying the gentle sway of the water. Many tours also include stops at floating fishing villages, where you can witness the daily lives of local communities. Culturally, Ha Long Bay holds significant importance for the Vietnamese people. It is not only a source of livelihood for fishermen but also a symbol of national pride and heritage. By visiting this enchanting bay, you support local traditions and contribute to the preservation of its natural beauty for generations to come. The mystical temples of Angkor Wat, Cambodia. Angkor Wat, the largest religious monument in the world, stands as a testament to the grandeur of the Khmer Empire and its architectural brilliance. Built in the early 12th century, this magnificent temple complex is renowned for its intricate carvings that depict scenes from Hindu mythology, showcasing the artistry and devotion of its creators. Each stone tells a story, from the detailed bas-reliefs of battles to the serene images of deities, making Angkor Wat not just a place of worship but a historical narrative etched in stone. Visiting Angkor Wat is an experience like no other, especially during sunrise when the first light casts a golden hue over the temple. To fully appreciate this magical moment, arrive early to secure a good spot by the reflecting pool, where you can witness the temple's silhouette against the vibrant sky. Bring a camera to capture the breathtaking views, and don't forget to explore the surrounding areas, as the complex is vast and filled with hidden gems. What makes Angkor Wat truly special is the harmonious blend of nature and history. Towering trees and lush greenery envelop the ruins, creating a serene atmosphere that invites reflection. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Angkor Wat is not only a marvel of human achievement but also a reminder of the enduring connection between culture and the natural world. The otherworldly Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat, is a breathtaking expanse that stretches over 10,000 square kilometers, creating a surreal landscape that feels like stepping onto another planet. During the rainy season, the flat transforms into a giant mirror, reflecting the sky in a stunning display of blues and whites. This unique reflective property creates an illusion of endless space, making it a photographer's paradise and a must-visit for anyone seeking an extraordinary experience. Surrounding the salt flats is a rich tapestry of wildlife and ecosystems. The area is home to several species of flamingos, which thrive in the saline lakes that dot the landscape. These vibrant birds can often be seen wading through the shallow waters, adding a splash of color to the stark white backdrop. Additionally, the region supports unique flora and fauna adapted to the harsh conditions, showcasing nature's resilience. Culturally, Salar de Uyuni holds significant importance for local communities. The salt flat is not only a vital resource for salt extraction but also a source of livelihood for many indigenous people. Their traditions and customs are deeply intertwined with the land, making it a place of cultural heritage. Visiting Salar de Uyuni offers a chance to appreciate both its natural wonders and the rich history of the communities that call this extraordinary place home. The colorful streets of Jodhpur, India. Welcome to Jodhpur, famously known as the Blue City, where vibrant blue houses create a stunning visual tapestry against the backdrop of the Thar Desert. The iconic blue color is not just a feast for the eyes. It holds cultural significance as it is believed to symbolize the homes of Brahmins, the priestly class, and also serves to keep the houses cool in the scorching heat. As you wander through the narrow streets, you'll be captivated by the charm of these blue-washed buildings, each telling a story of the city's rich heritage. One of the must-visit attractions in Jodhpur is the majestic Mehrangarh Fort, which towers over the city. This impressive fortress offers panoramic views and houses a museum showcasing artifacts that reflect the royal history of the region. After exploring the fort, immerse yourself in the bustling local markets, where you can find vibrant textiles, handicrafts, and spices that embody the essence of Jodhpur. Don't miss the opportunity to indulge in the local cuisine, which is a delightful blend of flavors and traditions. From spicy curries to sweet treats like jalebi, the culinary offerings are sure to tantalize your taste buds. Jodhpur is a city that invites exploration, promising unforgettable experiences at every turn. The majestic Mount Fuji, Japan. Mount Fuji, an iconic symbol of Japan, stands majestically at 3,776 meters, captivating the hearts of locals and travelers alike. This stunning stratovolcano has long been a source of inspiration in Japanese art and literature, appearing in countless paintings, poems, and stories. Its symmetrical silhouette is often depicted in traditional woodblock prints, symbolizing beauty, strength, and tranquility. The mountain holds deep cultural significance, representing the spiritual connection between nature and humanity in Japanese culture. For visitors eager to experience Mount Fuji up close, there are several breathtaking viewpoints and hiking trails to explore. The Fuji 5 Lakes area offers stunning vistas, particularly from locations like Lake Kawaguchi, where you can capture the perfect reflection of the mountain. For the adventurous, the Yoshida Trail is a popular route for hiking to the summit, providing a rewarding challenge and unforgettable sunrise views from the top. Seasonal activities around Mount Fuji enhance its allure. In spring, cherry blossom viewing at the base of the mountain creates a picturesque scene, while autumn brings vibrant foliage that paints the landscape in warm hues. Whether you're hiking, photographing, or simply soaking in the views, Mount Fuji and its surroundings offer a magical experience that embodies the essence of Japan. The serene rice terraces of Bali, Indonesia. The rice terraces of Bali are a breathtaking sight, showcasing the island's rich agricultural heritage and stunning landscapes. These terraces, carved into the hillsides, are not just visually captivating, they also represent a sophisticated irrigation system known as subak. This traditional method, developed centuries ago, involves a cooperative approach among farmers to manage water distribution from the rivers to the fields. The subak system is a UNESCO-recognized cultural landscape, reflecting the harmonious relationship between the Balinese people and their environment. The beauty of the rice terraces changes with the seasons, offering a unique experience year-round. In the wet season, the terraces are lush and vibrant, with bright green rice plants swaying gently in the breeze. As the harvest approaches, the golden hues of ripe rice create a stunning contrast against the backdrop of the lush landscape. In the dry season, the terraces take on a different charm, with the earth exposed and the intricate patterns of the fields becoming more pronounced. Encouraging ecotourism and sustainable practices in the region is essential to preserving these stunning landscapes. By supporting local farmers and participating in responsible tourism, visitors can help maintain the beauty and cultural significance of Bali's rice terraces for future generations to enjoy. The unique landscape of Zhangjiajie, China. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park is a breathtaking natural wonder, renowned for its towering sandstone pillars that rise dramatically from the earth. These unique formations, some reaching heights of over 1,000 meters, served as the inspiration for the floating mountains depicted in the blockbuster film Avatar. The park's otherworldly landscape, with its mist-covered peaks and lush greenery, creates a surreal atmosphere that captivates visitors and ignites the imagination. For those eager to explore this stunning environment, Zhangjiajie offers a variety of hiking trails and scenic viewpoints. The popular Golden Whip Stream Trail provides a leisurely walk through the forest, allowing hikers to soak in the beauty of the towering pillars and diverse flora. For a more adventurous experience, the hike to the summit of Tianmen Mountain rewards trekkers with panoramic views and the famous glass skywalk, which offers a thrilling perspective of the landscape below. Conservation efforts in Zhangjiajie are crucial to preserving this unique ecosystem. As tourism continues to grow, protecting the delicate environment and ensuring sustainable practices is essential. By supporting conservation initiatives and practicing responsible tourism, visitors can help maintain the natural beauty of Zhangjiajie for generations to come, ensuring that this extraordinary landscape remains a source of inspiration and wonder. Conclusion. In this video, we've taken you on an incredible journey through some of the most unreal places in Asia, showcasing the breathtaking diversity and beauty that this continent has to offer. From the stunning blue streets of Jodhpur to the majestic peaks of Mount Fuji, each destination is a unique testament to nature's artistry and cultural heritage. We explored the serene rice terraces of Bali, the otherworldly landscapes of Zhangjiajie, and the iconic temples of Angkor Wat, highlighting the rich history and vibrant ecosystems that make these locations truly special. We encourage you to explore these remarkable destinations for yourself, as each offers unforgettable experiences and a chance to connect with the local culture. Whether you're seeking adventure, tranquility, or inspiration, Asia's unreal places have something for everyone. If you enjoyed this journey and want to discover more travel content, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow travel enthusiasts who are eager to explore the wonders of the world. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting adventures and hidden gems from around the globe. Thank you for joining us, and we can't wait to see you on our next adventure.
Do you want to save big on your next adventure? Watch this video right here. It's basically a free training. See you there.